NikolaTesla's secret sleep method. Nikola Tesla was a visionary of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. His work laid the foundation for many modern technologies, shaping the world as we know it. In today's video, we'll uncover Tesla's secret method for accessing extraordinary ideas. He played a crucial role in ushering in the electrical age, based on the principle that everything is energy and vibration, concepts that can be harnessed to achieve incredible breakthroughs. Previously, we explored Tesla's famous 3-6-9 formula. Today, we'll dive into his unique sleep method, his secret to receiving cosmic energy and unlocking the power of the universe while he slept. I'll show you exactly how he did it and how you can apply this method to tap into your own creative potential. So, pay close attention because this knowledge has the power to transform your life forever. You deserve a life filled with creativity, happiness, and achievement. By studying and applying Tesla's secret method, you can unlock limitless potential. Take a few moments for yourself, get comfortable, and get ready to learn how to connect your mind to an endless source of inspiration. Let's begin. Tesla's revolutionary sleep method. In his late 80s, Tesla gave a speech to a prestigious audience in New York. Amidst the applause and admiration, he revealed a powerful secret about sleep that would forever change how we think about rest and creativity. Once you understand Tesla's profound yet simple sleep technique, you'll see that there are no limits to what you can achieve. You might already know about Tesla's famous 3-6-9 formula, which demonstrates his genius. But have you ever wondered how he came up with such groundbreaking ideas? Every night, Tesla followed a unique sleep method that allowed him to tap into universal energy and bring his visions to life. Here's how you can do the same. Step 1. Think of your brain as an antenna. Tesla once said, "My brain is only a receiver. In the universe, there is a core from which we obtain knowledge, strength, and inspiration." This aligns with the teachings of many personal development experts. Your thoughts don't originate in the brain. The brain acts as a receiver, tuning into an invisible field of information, much like how a computer connects to Wi-Fi. Imagine your brain as an antenna, receiving insights from a vast universal database. When you begin to see your mind as both a transmitter and a receiver of this cosmic energy, you'll open the door to boundless creativity and innovation. Step 2. Set your intentions before sleeping. Before going to bed, focus on a specific question or challenge you want to solve. By doing this, you activate your subconscious mind and access the same superconscious realm that Tesla tapped into. For the past year, I've used a simple but powerful technique. I visualize my brain as an antenna, finely tuned to a certain frequency. This allows me to access new realms of knowledge, just like having a mental Wi-Fi connection. To enhance this process, try listening to brainwave music while falling asleep. Certain frequencies can guide your mind into receptive states, allowing ideas and insights to flow effortlessly. Step 3. Keep a notebook by your bed. Before going to sleep, write down your thoughts, challenges, or goals. Imagine yourself discovering the perfect solution or stumbling upon $1 million idea while you sleep. Keep a pen and paper nearby. You might wake up in the middle of the night with a sudden burst of inspiration. Instead of assuming you'll remember it in the morning, write it down immediately. This practice creates a mental gateway, signaling to your subconscious that you're open to receiving ideas. Over time, you'll notice an increasing flow of inspiration, just like the greatest minds in history. Why does this method work? When you consciously set your intentions before sleep, your logical mind quiets down, allowing you to enter deep brainwave states. In these states, you become highly receptive to new insights, ideas that might otherwise escape you during waking hours. Tesla credited this technique for many of his groundbreaking inventions. He kept a notepad by his bed, and every morning he would wake up to new concepts already written down. He believed these ideas came from the superconscious, a vast energy field that anyone can access. The real-life success story of John. John was an ordinary man, struggling to make ends meet. He lived paycheck to paycheck, searching for a way to improve his life. One day, he discovered Tesla's sleep method. Out of curiosity, he decided to give it a try. He imagined his brain as an antenna, tuned to the frequency of prosperity. Each night, he set clear intentions to attract new opportunities for wealth creation. John kept a notebook by his bed and diligently recorded any ideas that surfaced while he slept. One night, he had a vivid dream about an innovative business idea, a unique solution to a common problem that could generate substantial income. Excited by his revelation, he immediately took action. With determination and faith in his vision, he turned his idea into a thriving business. Soon, clients came flooding in, and his financial struggles became a thing of the past. John had tapped into a limitless source of ideas and wealth just by applying Tesla's technique. Unlock your potential through sleep. John's story is a powerful reminder that we all have access to infinite creativity and prosperity. Your mind is a gateway to extraordinary possibilities, and sleep is the key to unlocking them. If you want to transform your financial reality, overcome challenges, or build a successful business, Tesla's sleep method can help you shape your future. By harnessing the power of your subconscious mind, you can manifest the life you desire. So tonight, as you close your eyes, connect with the superconscious and awaken the genius within you. Who knows what incredible ideas await you in your dreams? Dream big, believe in yourself, and watch your dreams become reality. Until we meet again, sleep well and unlock your limitless potential. I hope you found this video valuable. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. It really helps me continue creating content like this for you. Thank you for spending this time with me. I truly appreciate it. Take care of yourself, be kind to others, and I'll see you in the next video.